In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get Discord alerts for NFT sales on LooksRare. Together, we will build a bot in less than a few minutes. Here are some examples of alerts you will get after following this tutorial. Hi, I'm Gabriel from Boto, where you can build your own bots for free with no coding skills. First thing, let's go to boto.io and log into the app. If you don't have an account yet, just create one, it's free. Now click on the Recipes menu and type NFT Sales and click on the NFT to Discord recipe. Now here, you might be thinking, oh gosh, what's all this? Don't worry, it's easier than you think. We're gonna set up and test this bot in 4 steps. So first step, let's start by setting up the NFT events block. We need first to find the address of the NFT collection we want to track. To do that, enter the collection page on LooksRare and then click on this address here. Now in this page, just click on the copy button and back to Boto's page, paste it into the address field. Good, step 1 done. Now in step 2, we'll set up the Discord block. Here, we'll choose the server and the channel where we want to get the alerts. So start by clicking on the Add button to add a new channel. Here, we are at Boto's Knowledge Center. So what's all this about? If this is your first time setting up a bot with Boto, you need first to invite Boto to your Discord server. You only have to do this once. To do that, let's open this link in another tab. Then select your server and authorize Boto. Cool, done. Let's close this. Now, we will authorize Boto to message a specific channel in the server. First, enter the channel where you want to get alerts, and then enter /AUTH, followed by the email that you used to log into Boto. Then hit enter. Great! Authorization done. Now, notice this number. This is the channel ID. Now let's go back to Boto page. Then click on the refresh button and then select the channel ID we just saw a few seconds ago. Good. Step 2, done. Now in step 3, we'll make a quick test. Click this button here on the Discord block. So this has sent a test message to the channel. So great, our test is working. Step 3, done. Now let's get back to Boto and do step 4. Let's click here to save the bot and then let's click there to turn it on. Yoo-hoo! You made it! Your bot is up and running. Now just wait for sales to happen and you will get your alerts. If you want to create right now your own bot, or if you want to learn how to customize your bot, check out the links on the description below. Thanks for watching.